AI is everywhere, revolutionising how we interact with technology, reshaping industries and transforming businesses. But behind all the advances, there is one question that I keep asking myself. Can AI think? If you're a coach, consultant or small business owner looking to understand AI's true capabilities and limitations, then this video is for you. My name is Simon Batchelor, and in this video I'll explain why AI is more than just a simple spell checker, but it isn't that sentient overlord that we've been told is coming just yet. Some people dismiss AI as a glorified spell checker or predictive text tool on steroids. They say things like, well, it's just predicting the next likely word to form a coherent sentence. That's just predictive text, surely. And to some extent, they are correct. AI's basic principle is identifying what comes next in a sequence. However, AI's speed and scale of prediction puts it far in advance of a simple spell checker or predictive text, which is what makes it so incredibly powerful. Instead of linear rule-based computing that we've used before, an AI tool uses a vast network of neural-like connections. The result is language generation that often feels surprisingly human, and it's this that gives the impression that the machine is thinking. As far back as the 1840s, the far-sighted Ada Lovelace wrote what is often viewed as the first software and algorithm for a never-built analytical engine. Lovelace predicted that such machines would go beyond simple mathematics and get to creative tasks like playing music. However, she also foresaw that while these machines would excel at following instructions, they would also lack the ability to think or organise data independently. Over a century later, computing pioneer Alan Turing would dub this limitation Lady Lovelace's objection. Turing is probably most well known for devising what is now known as the Turing test. He did this to address potential questions of this thinking machine. Turing decided that thinking was too difficult a concept to define and called his test the imitation game. The game being whether a machine could imitate human responses sufficiently well for it to be mistaken as a person. If it could do so, it would be considered intelligent. Today's AI models often pass the Turing test with ease, leading people to feel as though they're interacting with something that thinks. However, for all the impressive responses, AI is designed to predict rather than understand. Human-like language and nuanced text simply reflects the level of technology itself, not the presence of thought. Today's AI might appear sophisticated, but Lady Lovelace's objection still stands. AI can make predictions, generate text, and even simulate creativity, but it lacks true understanding or independent thought. A lack of thinking ability doesn't stop AI from being transformative. Just like computers in general, AI's explosion in popularity is down to a simple economic principle. As this technology becomes cheaper, it will become used more widely. These widely accessible, cheap, large language models, or LLMs, and their transformer-based AI have made processing massive amounts of data more efficient and affordable. And as the cost of using AI decreases, its applications expand. And while the hype surrounding AI is undeniable, so is the impact. Cheaper prediction technology is already changing our world, and its influence will only grow from here. Maybe AI can't think, but its limitation of intelligence is still a game changer. For example, predictive AI models can be used to manage stock inventory by predicting demand and patterns. They can organise logistics by predicting the best routes. They can control automated production, which relies on robots. And then, of course, there's the use of AI models to create marketing materials, which I've described in many of my other videos. As AI prediction becomes cheaper, businesses that rely on human-led prediction will face competition from those leveraging AI to do the same tasks. This creates both opportunities and challenges for small businesses. The key is identifying where prediction can add value to your operations and where it could disrupt and overtake traditional methods. So no, ChatGPT, Claude and other LLMs are not thinking as such, but by processing billions of pieces of data, these systems are capable of generating human-like responses to complicated problems. Already AI is being used to predict credit card fraud, automate loan applications, and it's watched enough videos of humans driving accurately to simulate their driving behaviour on its own. This isn't thought, it's just refined data processing on a monumental scale, and it has significant implications for fields as diverse as finance, customer services, and content creation. So back to that question, can AI really think? By now it should be clear that no, AI can't think, well, at least not yet. Whatever the hype says, AI is merely an advanced data-driven tool designed to predict outcomes based on patterns, not true understanding or cognition. That said, AI is still reshaping industries in profound ways, creating opportunities that are economically possible for businesses of all sizes. The next stage of AI development is making decisions, and that work is well underway with some models all ready to do that complex task. How reliable they are and how ready people are to trust these systems remains to be seen. After all, would you trust an AI that can't count the number of R's in strawberry to make a decision for you? The challenge is to look beyond AI's limitation of intelligence and see it for what it is, a powerful prediction tool whose strengths you can harness for your business, delivering value and staying ahead of the competition. If this video's got you thinking, then there's lots more AI related content on my channel, so go and check it out. I'll see you in the next video.